channel's Louvre video series. In a previous video, I strolled outside the Louvre. If you're interested, you can click on my homepage. In the following episodes, we will enter the Louvre, explore each floor immersive. In the final video of this series, I will tell you how to quickly buy tickets on site and enter the Louvre without making an online reservation. If you like to travel the world, then follow me. Remember to click subscribe. That way you won't miss the highlights of every episode. The Louvre was built in the 13th century. It was a royal palace in France. It became a museum in 1793 during the Revolution. The museum contains artifacts dating from 7000 BC to the mid-19th century, which distribute in the three major exhibition halls. The pavilion is named after historical figures. Sully, Richelieu, and Denon represents wisdom, power, and artistic heritage. The layout of Layer 0 is shown in the figure. In this layer, ancient Roman sculptures, such as the Dying Slave and the portrait of Marcellus, are located in the Denon Hall, showing strong physical beauty and dramatic tension, which takes you into the cultural palace of ancient Rome. French sculptures on display in the Richelieu Pavilion not only record history, but also show the wisdom and ingenuity of the ancient people. In the Sully Pavilion, there is the Venus de Milo, a world-famous ancient Greek sculpture. The layout of the first floor above ground is shown in the figure. This floor is one of the main display areas, which showcases classic works of European painting and sculpture. You'll enjoy the magnificence of the Apollonian Gallery and Napoleon III Suite. In addition, you can admire the Mona Lisa, Lady Victory, and many masterpieces of the Renaissance and Baroque. This is the layout of the two floors above ground. This floor mainly displays European Northern painting and French painting. These works reflect artistic styles and techniques from different periods and cultures. In this video, we mainly followed this route to visit the Denon Pavilion on the ground floor. First, we took the elevator from the second floor to the first floor. Line up at the entrance to the Denon Pavilion. You can scan the code to view the map. The Denon Pavilion displays many European sculptures, from classical to modern, which embody the artistic styles and ideas of different periods. In addition, you can also take a look at Egyptian pharaoh sarcophagus, ancient Egyptian frescoes, ancient Near Eastern sculpture, and pottery. Each piece carries the glorious story of ancient civilization. Let's immerse ourselves in the works of art in this pavilion. In the following videos, we will continue to explore the pavilion on floors 02 to above ground. Hopefully through this series of videos, you can get a better understanding of the Louvre. If given the opportunity, you can personally appreciate the beauty of the art within it. Well, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on every episode. You can also exchange discussions in the comments section. I'll bring you more videos. I'm a Google. I'll see you next time.